Well, why should I give me 20 buckets of milk and then kick it over?
She just feel excited about accomplishing an assignment that she was lead on.
Good. Tell her to save her excitement for Kareem. Oh, by the way, there's a point I need you to check for me. When she gets all excited and enthusiastic, I don't know what she's telling Kareem. And there's a new player on the block. She better be very careful what her dialogue with that, what do you call her? Nessa? The minister concubine.
Yeah, I am not so much in favor of that connection either to Pops. But I think that is because she don't have anybody in her age group to talk to.
I hear you. Let's look at this for a little while. Dispassionately. I'm not going to discount the point you're making about the age and thing. Although there's something more I want to ask you a little later on. But hear me carefully. We know, well, I know, that Daly is still trying to get back into the good graces of, what do you say her name is?
Vanessa Pops.
Vanessa. Which means he's still in touch with her. And Daly's enthusiasm in trying to get her back into his quarters will make him trail her. Now, when he trails her here, he then picks up on Tony Ann. When he does a deep search on Tony Ann, we are wide open. The other question I need to ask is this. Is she also in Whisper's age group? Because she seems to have formed some form of attraction. And he's always around by her. And the thing now is, when the minister picks up on Tony Ann and goes, okay, deep search result agency, then he sees Whisper. It's a slam dunk. He'd have to be a bloody idiot not to make the connection. The other possibility is, not saying Whisper is not a nice young man, but she could be an attraction for him to help out Daly.
You think she's that close to Daly still?
I don't know. But we have intercepted a number of messages between them. No. Certain projects that he shut down, he has suddenly opened back. So, what you think? Is it a possibility?
How does she now cut off Vanessa?
Oh, no. I don't want her to cut off Vanessa. But I need you to keep an eye on her. She's not in your age group, is she?
So, what you want me to do now? Watch her?
No. You are the perfect person in place already. It's called Whisper. You see, whilst he's doing these exercise classes, he can pump her for information.
All right. But you know though that his home security was breached. And before him do any assignment, that Afi fix.
First, we need to discover how it got breached in the first place.
Well, I told him that we have to start as far out as possible and come close to home.
So who have you narrowed it down to?
Andrew, Masu, Spanish Town crew, his baby mother, and Patsy. These are the people who knows that he's an agent.
You have left out one person.
Who?
Come. I trained you better than that. Numbers.
Numbers? But numbers basically work with we.
You know that Daly is going to be digging everywhere to find anything he can. So how long do you think it's going to take him before he comes across the fact that numbers was once part of the incarcerated system? And I was the person responsible for putting him there.
Okay. Well, we're just going to do a deep search on everybody as far and as close as possible. But there is one person who we have no information on that we need to get information on so we can add him to the circle. That is Patsy's ex-boyfriend.
Let me help you there. You might want to talk to Marcus. I gather that both of them were almost roommates and graduated from that place in a similar manner.
Marcus?
Not Garvey, you know.
Yeah, Pops, we know that, but I don't understand the link.
Tell you what. Let me give some homework. Do what you do best. Do a deep search. Dig! Oh, by the way, you really have good coffee here. You will excuse me. By the way, tell Tonian not to do anything to disrupt the relationship between her and Vanessa. Mention nothing. Treat her, everything is normal. Oh yes. Monday morning bright and early, tell the miscreant to go to the armory and pick up her weapon.
Hey.